विसवापरांत तुमकां येवकार। मुरगांव नगरपालिकेची राज्य यंत्रणा आणि जबरदस्त पुलीस संरक्षणात सोमारा हेडलँड सडा हांगाच्या धार्मिक शेडीच्या कांय भागाचे डिमॉलिशन केले। पयलीं थळाव्यांनी बरोच विरोध दाखयलो, मात शेडीचो कांय भाग उडोवचो पडटलो, सगळोच भाग उडोवची गरज ना म्हूण एमसीसीन लोकांक समजायल्या उपरांत सगळें शांततायेन जालें। वास्कोच्यान RDX खातीर जॉन डिसिल्वा।
From an authority, deputy collector.
Can we just tell the whole process, how complaint came and how things happened? Because people are not.
See, all the procedures have been duly followed. I had held talks with them. Our person had come here. They had sought for 2 days' time. So more than 2 days I had given. And today, with the assistance and cooperation of everyone, we have done it. There is no any blockage or this obstruction to our job. We have done it in a transparent manner, in the presence of all the press, and all the this concerned person cooperated with the authorities.
Will you formally intimate the complainant?
Yeah, we have to. Let me correct it. We have removed only the removal of the temporary shade. Our problem is that visibility should not be blocked. It should be visible from all 4 sides. So I think we have cleared whatever was blocking the visibility.
Sought the presence of the deputy collector to have magisterial arrangements. Then had secured the presence of the divisional staff, mine, as well as from the district by informing SP. SP sir also had given us staff from IRB, ladies as well as gents. And as per the request of the chief officer of Mormugao municipality, they had carried out the required demolition of the structure at Sada Junction. Everything went on peacefully. In fact, even the so-called opposite party, they cooperated well with the chief officer in removing the illegalities whatsoever were existing there. So everything went on peacefully. Matter has ended very peacefully. Everybody dispersed by themselves and they cooperated with the police and the law enforcement agencies.
आता नेक्स्ट मंथ आमचे 19 डिसेंबर रेस हा, त्या फुडले मागीर आमचे न्यू इयर हा, त्याच्या पयली क्रिसमस हा, सगळे फेस्टिवल जाता हांगा। अशें न्हय की तूं चिंतशीत हांगा कितें आमचे ओन्ली गणेश चतुर्थी जाता, नो, हांगा मुरगांवच्या राजाच्या देवळा फुडल्यान सगळे एक्टिविटीज जाता थ्रू आउट द इयर। म्हाका दिसता हे डेमोलिश करून न्हू खंयचे ताका म्हाका दिसता की पर्रीकरान सांगलेलें की बाबा मिनिस्ट्री बीन दिता खंयचेर, आनी समज हे डेमोलिश करून समज नेक्स्ट इलेक्शनूय जिखता मिनिस्ट्री मेळटा वेल एंड गुड, अशें डेमोलिशन करीत रावतो काय सड्यार आनी काय दवर नाका, सगळे सड्याकारांक उडय। पळय मुरगांवच्या राजाचो जो मंडळ हा न्हू हो मिलिंद नायकाक सपोर्ट करतालो, आनी ह्या इलेक्शनाक आहा न्हू हो मंडळ हा न्हू मिलिंद नायकाच्या अगेन्स्ट गेलो। जेन्ना हो मंडळ मिलिंद नायकाच्या अगेन्स्ट गेलो ना तेन्ना मिलिंद नायकाची ही परिस्थिती जाली, तो ओन्ली 100 वोटान जिखलो। जो मनीस 100 वोटान जिखता न्हू तो आनी कितें काम करूंक शकता, त्याच्या कडेन आमी कांयच एक्सपेक्ट करूंक शकना बाबा कितें व्हडलें काम करतलो की सड्याचें डेव्हलपमेंट करतलो। अरे मुर्खा, तुका काडपाचेंच आसलें तो कचरो काड मरे, अख्खो सड्यार भरला, कोळसो काड मरे, अख्खे सड्याकार पोल्युशनान आहा, खंयचे रे आमोनिया टँक काड मरे, ती काड मरे।